Got a really quick one for you today. Outlook calendar. We're used to with Outlook and emails having our reading pane where we can see the topic of our messages, but did you know that the calendar's got the same thing? Let me show you. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer trainer sharing tips and tricks about your everyday software, making your life a bit easier. So here I am in my calendar. All I need to do is click on the View tab and scroll over to the reading pane. We've still got our same options, right, bottom or off. Obviously, as you can see, mine's off. I'm going to choose right because it's the one that I've always preferred, and you can see I get this weird space now on the right hand side. This is showing because I haven't got anything selected. However, when I select an appointment, you can see that I actually get all the details, so the date, the location, start and end times, but then I also see all of the notes that are already in it. And as I click onto a different one, it switches to be there. Now if you don't like it, don't worry, all you need to do is go back to Be View and Reading Pane and switch it back off again. But if you've got a lot of meetings and you've got details on them, that might be a useful facility for you. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to be notified as new videos become available. Bye.